From raw limestone to strong cement, witness how aced cement powers modern construction. Powerful machines extract premium limestone, the foundation of every aced cement product. Heavy dump trucks deliver freshly mined limestone for continuous cement production. The primary crusher breaks massive limestone into smaller, uniform pieces with precision. Crushed limestone moves steadily on conveyors toward the next production stage. Raw limestone is stored to ensure a steady and uninterrupted production process. Clay is delivered to balance the raw mix for high-quality cement production. Raw materials are blended carefully to achieve the perfect manufacturing ratio. The raw mix enters the grinding mill, becoming a fine and uniform raw meal. The finished raw meal moves toward the preheater for the next production stage. The cyclone separates fine raw meal for efficient kiln feeding. The preheater raises the raw meal temperature before kiln processing. The precalciner begins the chemical transformation using intense heat. The rotary kiln converts raw materials into glowing cement clinker. Red-hot clinker leaves the kiln and moves toward rapid cooling. Powerful cooling air rapidly lowers the clinker temperature. The cooled clinker travels smoothly toward the storage area. Clinker is stored before the final grinding process begins. The reclaim system feeds clinker steadily to the production line. Clinker moves continuously toward the cement grinding process. Raw materials are measured precisely before the final grinding process. Clinker and gypsum combine to create the perfect cement blend. The blended materials move steadily toward the grinding mill. Powerful grinding transforms the blend into fine cement powder. Fresh cement continues through the mill for a consistent, fine finish. Stored clinker returns to the production line for final cement processing. Fresh gypsum joins clinker to improve cement strength and setting time. Both materials are blended with precise accuracy before grinding begins. The blended material moves smoothly toward the powerful cement mill. The rotating cement mill begins producing fine, high-quality aced cement. Steel grinding balls turn clinker into fine cement powder. The separator selects only the finest cement particles. Cyclones collect finished cement from the moving airflow. Pneumatic lines transfer cement safely to storage silos. Finished aced cement fills the storage silo, ready for packaging. Finished cement leaves the storage silo for the automated packing line. Empty bags are positioned, ready for precise cement filling. Fine aced cement fills each bag smoothly with accurate precision. Filled aced cement bags move continuously along the production conveyor. Hundreds of aced cement bags flow together, showcasing non-stop mass production. Filled aced cement bags continue moving toward the finished storage section. Thousands of aced cement bags move continuously through the warehouse conveyor. Finished aced cement bags are prepared for organized warehouse storage. Neatly stacked aced cement bags reflect quality, precision, and large-scale production. A fully stocked aced cement warehouse marks the successful end of the manufacturing journey.